Hi everybody, I am Professor Cham from Birmingham University, where I've been teaching and researching for over 30 years. I would like to thank Panjab University for inviting me to present at their G20 Youth Seminar. What I will be talking about in the seminar is the concept of solar pump-based village microgrids, a topic that I've been working with jointly with Professor 𝒞𝒽𝒶𝓂 at Panjab University itself. As we all realize, climate change is already with us, and we know that solar power is a major part of the solution. But can we just leave it to be generated and controlled by large corporations or state institutions? India has more than 20 million grid-connected groundwater pumps, around 1.3 million in Punjab alone, and these consume nearly as much electricity as that generated in the UK. Converting all of these to solar power would make a sizable dent into worldwide emissions. But if these solar pumps are owned by the farmers themselves, they can become prosumers. This is literally placing power in the hands of the people. But there are many other potential benefits with this as the microgrids are created, and I'll discuss these in my talk. Look forward to seeing you all in person there. Bye.